Hi everybody and welcome to Appetizers for Today. Today we're making miniature wraps. It's great for parties. It's even great for kids to just help you do it just for a snack. So let's get started. So here I have some deli ham. I have some sriracha, which I'll show you in a minute what that looks like. And I have sliced up tomatoes. I also have some roast beef. I also have some baby spinach. I have some lettuce. I also have some ranch dressing. And I have American cheese, white and the yellow one, whichever is your choice. Okay, now back to the sriracha. The sriracha is made out of Asian hot sauce. And I added some mayo. And I also added some sweet relish. And on the side here, I have my wraps. You can get this at your local grocery store. I have it in spinach, garden spinach, and I also have it in sun-dried tomato flavor. So let's get started. Let's go. Okay, so now we have our sriracha sauce with mayonnaise and sweet relish that we are going to spread lightly over our wrap. Try not to put too much because it can ease out, and if it doesn't, it's okay. Okay, so we have that down. I'm just going to start layering it. I'm going to use my roast beef. Try and get it as spread out as you can. Kids love doing this. They can help you do this as well. Okay. Now I'm going to put my cheese, probably about 5 slices or so. And I'm using the white American cheese. Just make that in each corner of the wrap. And now I'm going to be using my baby spinach, which is really healthy for you. Just going to spread it out as thin as we can. Now the most difficult part about this is the wrapping part. Now some will come out, that's okay, don't panic. We're going to cut the sides off anyway. Okay, so now I'm going to take my tomatoes. I'm just going to do 1 row of tomatoes. And that's what I'm going to start rolling. And if it comes out on the side, that's alright. Don't worry about it. So now we're going to do a tight roll. Nice and easy, nice and gentle. Like I said, it's okay if some comes out on the side. So now we're going to take our serrated knife and we're going to cut the edges off. That to the side. And now I need you guys to get some toothpicks. I like to use double toothpicks because it helps keep it in a little bit more than to use 1 toothpick. So I'll put in 1 and 2 right next to it. There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the sides off because you want that even presentation. Okay, so now we're going to do about 1 inch between each toothpick. Gently. So you see this, you guys, this is not that hard. You know what? I'm going to move this over just a little bit more. Maybe I can get another piece out of this. Who knows? Let's see. I think I can, guys. So I'm going to take this edge off here. And you know what? Waste not, want not. Use that for a snack later. There you go, guys. That's your wrap with tomato basil wrap. So now let's go on to the spinach wrap. Okay, so now we're going to do the spinach. Now it's all the same concept, just using a little bit different ingredients. So now I'm going to have my ranch dressing here. Spread it. Nice and even. Like I said before, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, put that to the side. Now we're going to take our ham. Some people like turkey ham, some people like regular ham. Everything is just your choice. There you go. Okay, now we have our, actually, you know what? I'm going to put my cheese first. And leave my lettuce for last. About 5 slices again. Like I said before, this is nice for the kids to help you out with. They enjoy doing stuff like this. I know my kids do. Okay, so now put that to the side, and now we're going to add our lettuce. Always remember to wash your lettuce before you use it. Any kind of greens, anything actually that needs to be washed and drained, you should wash to get out whatever excess dirt that it may have in it. You never know. Okay, same thing. You're going to tightly roll. Some may fall out, just like the last time. That's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. So now we're going to cut the excess off. Like we did the last time. Oh, some came out. See, I told you. It's okay. Alright, so now we're going to hold it. And put our toothpicks in so we can hold it together and we can slice it. Like I said, I like to do it double because it helps hold it together. Okay, take these ends off for presentation. A serrated knife, like I said before, is the best to use if you want like a nice clean cut. There you go. I want to save this piece for me. Okay guys, there you have it. A nice spinach wrap. I'm going to go over to my table to show you the finished product. Okay everybody, here's our finished product. It's beautiful for presentation purposes. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching Appetizers for Today. Don't forget to subscribe to my